Morphology of flowering plants. So the first one we are going to see about the root. So root possesses a unicellular root hairs. The root hairs helps in absorption of water, and the roots are, these are very important key points. So it is negatively phototropic, positively geotropic, and positively hydrotropic. Roots that arise from parts of plant other than radicle. Radicle is nothing but the seed. Seed's parts is known as the radicle. So other than the radicle is called adventitious roots. So for example, we can say as the banyan trees, and banyan trees possess a roots like structures from the stem or the branch of the tree. So it possesses it's the characteristics of adventitious roots. So the characteristics of roots or their, so we are going to see about the characteristics of roots, or we can say it is the character of roots. So the first thing is the root is the underground descending, and it's a non-green part portion of plant axis, so which develops from the radicle. Radicle is nothing but about the seed which comes like this. This is above the stem, and this is known as the roots. And the roots do not have nodes. Roots don't have nodes and internodes. This is very important point to be noted. And they do not bear leaves, buds, or reproductive organs. Root apex is produced by the root cap. Root cap is nothing but the cap-like structure on the root. So let me show you a picture that is known as resembles a root cap. So this is the actual structure and the view of a root. So this resembles a root. So these finger-like projections are called root hairs. This only helps for the absorption of water. And here is something like a cap-like structure that is fixed to the root. That is known as the root cap. So these are the regions of cell division, and this is the root region for elongation, and this is the region of maturation. So now back to the characters of roots. So the roots are negatively phototropic and positively geotropic and positively hydrotropic. So next is that. So now we are going to see about the functions of a root. So the root helps in the fixation and absorption of water and minerals, and it also transports this water and minerals to the stem part to the further growth. So this is needed the movement called upward movement. The foods and minerals, the water and minerals are moving in the upward direction, so that the plant body like stems, leaves, and the fruits that can bear the strength by getting these minerals. So this helps in the roots helps in the storing of reserve food materials, and these synthesize certain plant growth regulators. So next comes the zones of the root. So there are 4 regions, that is root cap, meristematic region, and the region of cell elongation, and the region of cell maturation. You can use these notes for your further reference. So I have added a pic too about the root structure, and I have marked the regions also. So you can take this as a reference, and this will be very useful for your further studies.